Hello everyone and welcome to English with Zane, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Zane.
And I'm Anna. Hello, everyone. It is great to be here.
How are you today, Anna?
I am doing great, Zane. I am very excited for our first episode.
Me too. Today we have a very important topic. We are going to answer the question, tell me about yourself.
Tell me about yourself. People ask this all the time, at a new job or when meeting new friends.
Exactly. It is the best way to start a conversation. But before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, click the subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. It helps us a lot.
Okay, Anna, let's practice. Tell me about yourself.
Okay, my name is Anna. I am 25 years old, and I am a student.
A student. That is great. What do you study?
I study art. I love to draw and paint. What about you, Zane? Tell me about yourself.
Well, my name is Zane. I am 28 years old, and I am a teacher.
A teacher? Of course. You are an English teacher.
Yes, I love my job. I like helping people learn. Where we live. So, Anna, where are you from?
I am from the United States. I live in a big city. It is very noisy, but I like it.
I live in a small town. It is very quiet. I live in a house with a garden.
A garden? That sounds lovely. I live in a small apartment. I don't have a garden.
Now let's talk about things we like. Anna, what is your favorite food?
This is easy. My favorite food is pizza.
Pizza?
Yes, pepperoni pizza. It is delicious. What is your favorite food, Zane?
I like pizza too, but my favorite food is salad.
Salad? Really?
Yes, I like healthy food. I also love coffee.
Me too. Coffee is very important in the morning.
Speaking of mornings, are you a morning person?
No, I am not a morning person. I like to sleep. I hate my alarm clock.
That is funny. I am a morning person. I wake up at 6 a.m.
You are very energetic, Zane. What are your hobbies?
I like to play sports. I play soccer on the weekends, and I like to walk my dog.
You have a dog?
Yes, I have a dog named Max. He is brown and very friendly. Do you have a pet?
I have a cat. Her name is Luna. She is quiet and sleepy, just like me.
See, introducing yourself is easy. You can talk about your name, your job, and things you like.
I am Anna. I am a student. I like pizza and cats.
I am Zane. I am a teacher. I like salad and dogs.
It is simple and friendly.
Well, that's all for today. Thank you for listening to English with Zane.
We have a question for you. Please leave a comment below.
Yes, tell us about yourself. What is your name? What is your favorite food?
We want to meet you. See you next time. Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.